I'm going to show you a library in R which can help you to do the EDA, and you can explore multiple things in that. So in this video, I'm going to use this library first time along with you. So we will experiment how does it work and what are the advantages that we can expect. So I'm going to read the data. So my data is in its data format. So I have to read the using library haven, okay, and I'm going to run it. So and then the library that is we're going to discuss is called GWalkR, okay, and then I read this library also. So this library is G capital, W capital, and ALK and R capital. So when you run it will load the library. Now I will read the data. I have certain variables. These are these variables in my data file. So what I will do the exploratory data analysis using this. So when I read this library, it will open a platform. It can show here, or what you can do is you can click this button and open on Internet Explorer. So it will be on a bigger platform. Now what I can do, I can pick multiple things. So let's say I pick country on x-axis and then pick a variable, let's say this variable on y-axis. It will show me a column chart. Okay, and then if you want to do color, let's say I remove the country and add maybe which variable you I need to use. Yeah, so if I do this here and this variable here, okay, and I change it to mean or any type, it will show a dot. Okay, so this way you can plot, and then we can make more of these types by making two here and then maybe here variable where it is. Yeah, so I'll move here on x-axis, so it will show me like this. Okay, so you can just count, you can show standard deviation, you can show multiple things. Okay, so this way you can plot the graph and then you can add more. So in the data you can see the data with the individual properties. In the visualization you can add multiple charts, and you can also add more details. For example, let's see more details: mark, auto, stack mode, rotate. Okay, so let's remove them. Remove this variable, remove the here. If I only add income group, so this will make column like this. Okay, and then maybe some value or mean value. So it will plot like this. And if I add country as a color, you can see multiple countries like this. Okay, and then so if I remove the country and then maybe add HDA code, so it will show development levels with income levels. Okay, so there are few countries which are not coded, but others are coded. Okay, and then maybe add size. So this way you can compare multiple variables. Only thing that I try going to learn also is that how if I select two variables, let's say this is on x-axis and this is on y-axis, it's only showing one dot. How I convert it into actual data rather than one dot. So that I will explore with you. So if you try yourself and add more details here, and let me know in the comments if you are able to make that graph or make an interesting graph. Then you can download the graph from here, or you can just copy. Let's see from where we can copy it. Yeah, so export as a png. So if you select, then it will be downloaded as a graph, so I can show it here. So this way, and then these are the features that I wanted to show. So thank you very much for joining. So those who are in early career in terms of learning R, and they wanted to do make multiple graphs or tables. Let's say you want to see the table that is used for the chart. it will show here. Okay, so they can use this library for experimenting and making new graphs. Thank you very much.